Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Megodo Clinic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss and share the information about how to fix up the spark plug and how to maintain the spark plug. Just imagine we are thinking about very small spare parts. Why it is very much necessary? Because of the oxidation, because of the carbon layer, because of the rust. Generally, what we have seen that spark plugs gets damaged and sometimes it breaks inside the head. So to avoid that, to maintain that, what kind of a material or spare or thing you should apply or use, which can avoid all those problems, because if it breaks then you know that what will happen. Generally, mechanics knows about it, even technicians knows, and customers doesn't know. If it breaks, then you will have to open everything, which is one of the costliest affairs. So it's, instead of going for such affair, why not applying things which can save you a lot of money? So let's check out the video. I hope you will enjoy this video.
So this is anti-seize compound nickel base. You can use copper base as well. This is nickel base. And to apply, you can use a popsicle or ice cream what we eat. So it has got a wooden strips that can be used for pasting purpose, or you can use brush also. But do not use your fingers to apply it on the spark plug thread. If at all if you want to use, then you can wear gloves. Open the spark plug with the help of wrench or the socket. As you can see, a lot of carbon deposition is there on the thread. To avoid this only, we have to apply the anti-seize. For that, first of all, you'll have to clean if the spark plug is old. So clean with the help of cleaners. Don't use spark plug machines, cleaning machines, more dangerous now. So then after cleaning the threads, you can apply this compound on the threads. If you want to purchase this product, then you can check out my link which is given in the description. There are many products available in the market. If you want to purchase this, then you can check out my link. Apply it evenly by taking very small amount, very tiny amount. No need to take a lot. That may it may become a non-conductive spark plug, because we need the earthing, and earthing basically its body itself. So do not apply a lot. You have to apply it only on the threads, not on any other area of the spark plug, not even on the porcelain. Just apply it evenly on the thread and in limit, the quantity wise. You can use brush also, not an issue, but I prefer to use this popsicle or candy sticks or ice cream sticks, whatever you call. Very tiny amount you have to apply. After that, just secure the tin or the pack or the bottle and keep it away. Do not keep it open. You can use it for axle nuts as well, wherever you feel where there is no thread lock, and wherever you feel that there is a possibility of oxidation, you can apply it on the threads. Axle nuts, no issues. So after this, you can fix up the spark plug back to head by using specified torque as per the company torque, or as per the company specification. For older bikes, you don't need to use torque. You can go hand tight. That's enough. Then after completion of this job, then you can fix up the spark plug cap. Now I'll show you if it is conductive or non-conductive. If you apply it only on thread, then it's a good thing, because we need the earthing, as you can hear. If you apply all over the spark plug, then it will become non-conductive and then your bike will not start. So you have to apply evenly and very little amount or tiny amount on the thread only, not on the whole spark plug at all. I'll show you if at all, if you apply it on the whole spark plug, then what will happen. So basically non-conductive, but this is not dielectric. Dielectric is completely different compound than this, so do not consider that this is dielectric. This has got different chemical composition, and dielectric has got different chemical composition. So I'm very precise in my talk. If I deep the probes, then these probes are not showing any conductivity.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and the information which I have shared with you is going to help you out a lot. So this is the demo what I'm showing you, because right now what I have and things which was not there, due to that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you will do such kind of a maintenance with your machine as well. Thank you.